guys, Willa Ford here. I have been getting a ton of DMs about how I'm gardening in my backyard. As you know, I grew up a farmer's daughter with fruits and vegetables everywhere, and so this has been something that I found a lot of joy, something that I can actually control in this time when I feel like I can't control anything. And it's really exciting to be able to just provide for my family from the outdoors. So today I'm going to actually do a tutorial on a minimum space garden. So if you're in a condo with a balcony or an apartment and you don't have a ton of room or maybe a cramped backyard, these vertical towers are going to be the way to go. This is for beginners. This is super easy, I promise. Follow the rules, put the seeds in. Before you know it, you're going to have sprouts. You guys ready? Let's do this. A couple easy things to grow: Swiss chard, beets, green mix, radishes, green beans, carrots, cucumbers. These are all really simple to grow in the garden tower. Okay, first thing you're gonna do when you get your vertical tower is you're gonna take the first piece. You're gonna fill it with Fox Farm soil. This has worm casings and fertilizer already in it. So for the novice, this is fantastic stuff. You can almost grow anything in it. So you pour that into here, and then you're gonna take each seed and you're gonna plant it. I would say most seeds only need to be about 1/4 deep. Take your finger, dig very lightly, and then lay your seeds in a row depending on what kind of seed it is. Then you're just gonna lightly cover it up and then go to your next tower. Take your next tower, fill it with soil again. In this case, I'm doing tiny little strawberry plants. You can see the roots. So you're just gonna dig deep enough for the roots, plant them, make sure all the roots are covered. Don't compact the soil because you can actually suffocate the plant, just loosely. Then we're gonna take the water reservoir that comes with our tower and put it on top. Next thing, take one of your towers, easily slide it into the next tower. Make sure it actually fits on the things. Push down a little bit, and then repeat. Another gray reservoir, another tower, another gray reservoir, another tower, until you get to the water tower at the top. After you've topped with your water reservoir, you're gonna take water and fill it to the number 5 so that it can go all the way down, all of them to the bottom.